wearing my new lip kit for Smile Train called Smile. Guys, I am really excited to reveal to you guys my brand new lip kit called Smile. Smile launches this Monday, October 3rd, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm donating 100% of the net proceeds to Smile Train, and if you don't know what Smile Train is, Smile Train is an organization that supports cleft surgery for children all over the world. So I thought it'd be perfect to create this lip kit and all of us come together and help children smile all over the world. So go to KylieCosmetics.com. I'm wearing Smile right now, and I'm going to show you guys some swatches compared to my other pink shades and Cocoa. Here is Cocoa on the left and Smile on the right. So Smile is definitely a lot pinker than Cocoa, but I was kind of set on creating pink colors because it's fun and young and all ages.
Hey.